Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to make money online very fast. You just have to do simple tasks on this application and you can make a lot of money and you can redeem that money quickly. This application is available on App Store and Google Play Store also. You can download and install this application. After installation, you have to open this application and then here you will see three options. Continue with Apple, Facebook and Google. You can log in with any account. We'll continue with Apple account. After login, you have to select your gender. If you are male, select male, then upload your profile picture. Now you have to choose your nickname. Click on next. Now you have to select 5 categories that you are interested. We'll select gaming, technology, lifestyle, movies and food. Click on next. After login, you have to click on reward. Click on open. You have to open this one. Again you have to click on this one. Now here is the important part. You have to click on redeem. Now here you have to enter this code. You will get $1. You have to enter this same code. Click on redeem. Here you can see you have received $1. Click on continue and here you can see right now our balance is now $1.2. After doing all these things, now you can earn money faster. You can play games. You have to select any game. You just have to play that game and you will start gaining the coins and you can convert these coins into money. And from videos, you have to watch the videos and you will earn money from here also. Once you will complete $10, you have to click on it. From here you can select the payout method. You can select PayPal, and if you don't have PayPal account, you can select from others and you can redeem your money at any time. So there is no limit on this application. You can earn as much money as you want. It depends on your effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.